Solutions is brought to you by First Hawaiian Bank.
All right, everybody, Hafa and welcome back. Now, every other Monday, as you know, our good friends from First Hawaiian Bank drop by the studios here in Harmon, and they're good enough to provide us with some rather financial helpful solutions. Tonight, we're going to discuss how to select the right credit card, and with me is a good friend of mine, Vice President of FHB and Tamuning Branch Manager, Mr. Pete Valdez. Pete, Hafa.
Hey, Jason, how you doing?
All right, thanks for coming by, man. Now,
Thanks for having
Pete
me.
and I, you may not know, we actually go way back to the times of Blockbuster. Also, my former volleyball teammate. There you go. So
Jason used to block me all the time.
I don't know about that. Well, hopefully the type of blocking that we're talking about tonight is the kind of blocking that no one wants to get, like
Right.
Being smart about credit card use. So generally speaking, it seems rather obvious, but how can one be responsible with their credit card use?
Just a few tips. One important thing is you want to monitor your activity. A lot of people get into the habit of using their cards more often than not without monitoring their activity. And a few helpful ways is to sign up for online banking. With online banking, you're able to monitor your activity on a more regular basis rather than waiting for your credit card statements to come out every month. Another method is a more manual method, similar to how you would manage your checkbook. You can just jot down your expenses and keep it in a register and see what you're spending on a daily basis. And a lot of folks like to sign up for automatic payment. And with automatic payment, you could use that to clear your balances at the end of every billing cycle or pay the minimum amount. So just, you know, real common sense, trying to monitor what you spend and keeping a budget and keeping that budget.
Responsibility being the operative word.
Right.
Okay, now maybe some tips now for the people that are maybe getting into using lines of credit for the first time, maybe like your college-age students or people getting out of college. What are some of the telling points to look for when getting a credit card for the first time?
Two important things. When you sign up for a credit card or when credit card companies start soliciting your business, it's good to pay close attention to the fees and some of the rates that the credit card companies are throwing at you. Some credit card companies like to throw introduction rates. It's good to pay attention to what those rates are going to be. And it's helpful to also, if you find the time to read through the terms and conditions, the disclosures that come with the credit card. And many credit card companies today offer rewards programs, miles, discounts, and cash rebates. It's good to know what those incentives are.
Now, a lot of people don't realize this, but when you go to a bank to apply for a credit card, the representatives are advisors, not just salespeople. You know,
Absolutely.
they're not trying to make a quick buck off you. They're there to help you.
Right. They're there to kind of hold your hand and walk you through the process and help you understand what you're getting into. Right.
And now maybe just to close, for, again, people that are maybe just getting into credit or even for some people that have been using it for a while, what are the benefits long-term to using a credit card, you know, maybe improving your financial situation?
The most important thing is to preserve and maintain your credit history. When you first got the credit card, you got it because of your credit worthiness and what the banks who issue these credit cards feel that you're capable of managing this credit card, and a peace of mind, and a lot of things too is the benefits that you get out of the credit cards. You can get discounts from gas stations, earn miles for some traveling that you purchase with the credit cards, and a whole slew of other incentives.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, Pete, thanks so much for your insight. Nice to know that both you and I have grown on from our days of renting out videos to offering helpful financial advice to the people out there in the community.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for having us.
All right, thanks, Pete. All right, and stay tuned, everybody. Sit tight. We're back with more show right after this.